Tired of Jira fields cluttering your issues? Remove them in minutes and clean up your project for good. I'll show you exactly how to remove any field from your Jira project, step by step, from opening your account to saving changes. So let's get started. First, open up your Jira account. You'll land on your dashboard, which is basically your home base for everything. This is where we begin. Now, on the left side panel, go ahead and open your Jira project. Just click on the project name. This is important because we need to be inside the specific project that has all those extra fields you want to clean up. Once you're in the project, click on a task or issue. Anyone will do. I usually just grab the first one on the list. You'll see the issue detail panel open up on the right side of the screen. And here's where things start to get interesting. On that right side panel, locate the section that says Details. You'll see a small gear icon right next to it. Click on that gear icon. A menu will pop up. Click on Manage Fields. Now we're in the field management area. This is where you have control over every single field in this project. Let me walk you through how to remove a field properly, because I've done this a bunch of times and there's a right way to do it. If you want to remove a description field, first find it in the list. Move your mouse over the field you want to remove. When you hover over it, you'll see 3 dots appear on the right side. Click those 3 dots. Then click Remove Field. But here's the thing, that only removes it from one context. You might also need to remove it from the Context Fields section too. So scroll down to where it says Context Fields. Same process. Hover your mouse over the field you want to remove, click on the 3 dots, and then click Remove Field. Now, pay attention to this one because it's easy to forget. After you've done all that, you need to click Save Changes. I've seen people skip this step and then wonder why nothing happened, so don't forget it. And that's it. You've successfully removed fields from your Jira project, from a cluttered mess to a streamlined, efficient issue tracker with only the fields you actually need. Your team will thank you.